Summer is a time for enjoyment, but it's important to remember that heat can be dangerous, especially for seniors. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at regulating temperature. This makes seniors more vulnerable to heat-related illnesses. These illnesses range from mild discomfort to life-threatening emergencies. This essay will provide essential tips to help seniors beat the heat and stay safe. Staying informed and taking precautions is crucial for everyone, but especially for older adults. By understanding the risks and following simple safety guidelines, we can protect ourselves and our loved ones during the warmer months. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Let's delve into why seniors are more susceptible to heat and learn how to recognize the warning signs of heat-related illnesses. It's important to stay hydrated and seek shade during hot weather, especially for seniors. Several factors contribute to seniors' increased vulnerability to heat. As we age, our bodies produce less sweat, making it harder to cool down naturally. Certain medical conditions common in seniors, such as heart disease and diabetes, can also interfere with the body's ability to regulate temperature. Medications commonly prescribed to seniors, like diuretics and antihistamines, can further increase the risk of dehydration. These medications often work by increasing urine output, which can lead to a loss of fluids and essential electrolytes. It's crucial for seniors to stay well hydrated and discuss any potential medication interactions with their doctor or pharmacist. Protecting your skin from the sun is also crucial for seniors. Heat exhaustion is a milder form of heat-related illness, but it can quickly escalate to heat stroke, a life-threatening condition. Recognizing the symptoms of heat exhaustion is crucial for early intervention. Common symptoms include heavy sweating, muscle cramps, weakness, dizziness, headache, nausea, and vomiting. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's essential to act immediately. Move to a cooler place, loosen any tight clothing, and sip on cool water or sports drinks containing electrolytes. If symptoms worsen or persist for more than an hour, seek medical attention promptly. Heat stroke is a medical emergency that requires immediate attention. Learn to recognize the signs of heat-related illnesses and act quickly to prevent serious complications. Simple steps for prevention. Stay cool and safe. Prevention is key to staying safe during hot weather. Staying indoors in air-conditioned environments during the hottest parts of the day is advisable. If you don't have air conditioning, consider spending time in public places with AC like libraries or shopping malls. Drinking plenty of fluids throughout the day is crucial, even if you don't feel thirsty. Water is the best choice, but you can also have fruit juices and sports drinks. Avoid sugary drinks and alcohol, as they can dehydrate you. Wearing loose-fitting, light-colored clothing helps reflect heat and allows your body to breathe. Staying cool and hydrated is essential for seniors during hot weather. Stay informed and seek help when needed. Stay informed about weather forecasts and pay attention to heat advisories. Check on elderly neighbors, friends, and family members, especially those who live alone or have chronic health conditions. If you have any concerns about yourself or someone else, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Remember, even mild heat-related illnesses can quickly escalate, so it's always better to err on the side of caution. By staying informed, taking preventive measures, and knowing when to seek help, we can all enjoy the summer months safely and comfortably. Stay cool, hydrated, and enjoy the sunshine responsibly. Regular checkups and open communication with your healthcare provider are essential for maintaining good health, especially during the summer months.